All right. So yesterday we were talking about how artists they use pictures to share information with you about what's happening. Do you guys remember that? Show me a yes or a no if you remember that. Now, we also talked about that authors, people who write stories, they use words, right? They use words. They use words to help you understand what's going on. Who do you need next? Noel? All right, Noel, go ahead and go with the teacher. Wesley, take a seat. Okay. So I want to give you an example of something that I drew and see what you get from it.
Whoa!
Okay?
Cool.
Yes. Okay.
That's an artist.
So, as my example, I like to draw and I use pictures to express different things.
Did you
Okay?
do that?
Yes, I did. Now I'm going to show you another one.
You're the coolest teacher.
Okay. Here's another one. Okay? In this picture, I'm using color to show you what a flower might look like to me, or a rose. So artists, they use colors, they use pencil, they use different techniques to share information with you. Okay? No, I won't call on you like that. Okay? Now, authors, people who write books and stories, what do they use to give you information? Oh, I heard it over here. Who was it? What do they show you? Yes, they use words to help you create a picture in your head about what's happening. Okay? So that being said, today we are going to learn about how authors use action words to paint a picture in your head about what's happening in the story that you're reading. They use different types of words to help you understand. So, for example, if I can find my marker, let's look at this word right here. Don't say it out loud. I just want you to read it to yourself. Please don't say it out loud. Ladies and gentlemen, I just asked you not to say it out loud.
Say it in your brain. I know
Okay. Look at that word. Analyze it. Okay. When I count to 3, whisper it to your neighbor. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Class, tell me what word it was. Okay. Wesley, I'm remembering that little chat we had.
But Javin said but.
Javin, did you say that? Did you say that? Okay, that's your warning for today. All right. This word, ate, it means when someone is eating something, they're eating food. However, ate can be expressed in different ways to make it interesting. For example, if we look in our story in Dragon Gets By, we learn that the author used the word crunched. It says that he crunched on cheese curls. Wesley, I'm going to ask you to step outside for a minute. Okay. What kind of foods make a crunching sound?
Chips.
That's a good answer, but I'd like to see a hand.
Apples?
Give me a hand. Gianna. A crunching sound when you bite into it.
Oh, like this?
I'll come back to you. Nehemiah.
Chips or crackers?
Chips or crackers. Perfect. Kaden.
Apple?
An apple. Javin. A cracker? A cracker?
A nectarine.
A nectarine might, depending if it's nice and firm. Eileen? What do you think? Think about those foods that you like to eat, and when you put them in your mouth and you bite it, it makes a crunching sound. Who would like to show me what it sounds like? Munir, what does it sound like when you're crunching on food? Oh, ice. Very good. But I need someone to show me, to show the class. Rukai, you want to show them?
I was going to say crab.
Okay, crab might work. Who would like to show the class what it sounds like when something is crunching? Pretend you're eating like a big bag of chips. Now, when you are chewing on chips, is it a soft sound?
No.
Who would like to show me what that sounds like up here?
It's stale.
All right, Joel, can you show me? Joel is going to show us what it sounds like when something is crunching. I don't think they can hear you. Hold on. Let's wait until everybody's giving you their attention. Go ahead, Joel. Can you do it a couple times so they can hear it? Oh, I like that crunching sound. Let's give them happy hands.
That's not how you do it.
Thank you.
It's different.
Who else would like to show what it sounds like? Noah? Not Noah. Aaron, would you like to come up here and show us? Okay. Who do you need next? Munir. Go ahead and go with the teacher. All right. Aaron is going to show us what it sounds like when we are crunching. Oh, you have to do it a couple of times. Nice. Thank you. So it says that dragon crunched on cheese curls. And then it also says he downed the donuts. So down.
Donut. Down means cut something.
Okay, let's look at this word.
Donut's a long word.
Thank you. Crunched is another way that we can say that he ate the cheese curls. Ate, it might sound a little bit dull and boring, but when you say crunched, in your head, it tells you that he was making a lot of noise, kind of like Joel showed us and Aaron. And then it says that he downed the donuts. What do you think the word downed means? If it says he downed the donuts, what might that look like? Go ahead and show me. It says he downed the donuts. What might that look like? Oh, Noel is doing it. He's just eating and eating and eating and eating those donuts because they're delicious and they're filled with jelly and frosting and sprinkles. What about if he crunched? Show me. Very nice. Here's another word we can use to explain when someone is eating, a more descriptive word that gives you more detail. Oh. What is that word?
Gobble.
Now, it doesn't mean gobble like a turkey, like gobble, 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 gobble. No, that's not what it means. Okay? The word gobble, I will wait. The word gobble means that he ate quickly. So how many of you guys have gobbled up a piece of cake? You ate it as fast as you could because it was delicious. Yes, I like how Noah is showing me that he's eating fast. That's what the word gobbled means. Let's try the word. Let's try the word crunched. He crunched on those cheese curls. What about downed? He's just eating those donuts because they are delicious. What about the gobble? Very good. Okay. Here's another word we can use. And then we'll brainstorm together. Do not say the word out loud. Look at it first. Adrian, I'm waiting for you. Put that away. Don't say it out loud. Just look at it. When I count to 3, say the word. 1, 2, 3. Munch. What does the word munch mean? When you munch on something, I see some people showing me, that's okay. When you munch, you're just chewing on something. You're just enjoying the food you're eating. You are munching on a carrot stick. Jose, what might that look like? When you're munching. Yes, very good. Very nice, thank you. All right. So when you munch, you're just chewing your food. When you gobble, what are you doing? Oh, I like how everybody's eating fast. What about when you down something? Okay. What about when you crunch? Very good. Okay. Please give me your attention. Thank you, Kaden. Okay. So all of these words right here, all of these words that we just wrote on our word web, they're different ways that you can express eating. Now, if you use these words, it sounds more interesting than just saying ate. So this is what I want you to do with your talking partner. Listen carefully, please. Give me your ears. I'm going to ask my timer to put 1 minute on the clock. Go ahead and put minute. Okay. You and your partner, I'm going to make sure I have everybody's eyes and ears up here. Thank you. You and your partner will see if you can brainstorm other ways that you can explain how someone ate. So we already have munch, gobble, down, and crunch. Talk with your partner and see if you can come up with other ways to explain that. Ready? Go. Talk to your partner. Sayla, you may work with the gentleman behind you. All right, who's next? Aaron, go ahead and go. Talk with your partner. Other ways that you can explain how somebody ate. Think of your favorite food. How would you describe yourself eating it? What do you call that?
Chewing. Three, two, one.
Okay, ready, position. Oh, that was nice. Thank you. Right.
How many do we have?
Hello. No, I told him to stand outside the door for a few minutes. Can you just have him please? Thank you. Okay, let's see what we found. Alina, what did you and your partner talk about? Eat. Okay. They said the word eat. Yes. We'll put one on there. Let's see. They had a very wonderful word here. These young ladies here. So, Kendra, would you like to share? What is it? That word that you guys said to me right now. Remember?
Much.
You told me, Gianna. What was it? I'll come back to you. Noah, what did you and your partner come up with? Okay, but how would you describe that? What word would you use? Eileen.
I would do pick up the fruit and eat it.
And how would you describe that? What word can you use to describe how you were eating it? What word can you use? I like the action, but I need a word. Joel.
Packed.
Ooh, he packed it away. That is a good word. That's another descriptive word. He packed away. So let's say, Joel, what's your favorite food?
Watermelon.
Okay, so Joel loves watermelon because it's juicy, It's sweet, and because he likes it so much, he's going to pack it away. Does that work, class?
Yeah.
It does. Anybody else have a different word? Jose, what did you and your partner talk about? Okay, so that means you weren't following directions. Talk to your partner right now and see if you can come up with one. Destiny and Kaylana, what did you guys come up with? It helps to think of your favorite food. I'm going to give you an example. Oh, did you remember, Gianna? What was it? How many of you guys chew your food? And we do so with our mouth closed. Chew your food. Chew your food. Is that another descriptive word about how people can eat by chewing their food? Perfect. Chewed. Okay. So let's try to act these out one more time. The different words we can say ate. Thank you, Javin, for paying attention, and Sayla. Javin, remind me to give you a red ticket, okay? Okay, here we go. Chewed. How would we show the word chewed? Show me with your mouth. Chew your gum. Okay? How would I show the word crunched? Crunch. Crunch those chips. Crunch those pork rinds. Very good.
Crunch those apples.
What about the word down? Dragging down the donuts. Kaylana, let me see you. Gobble. You gobble up that piece of cake because it's delicious. Munch. There you go. And pack the watermelon away. Go pick up, please. Go pick up. Go pack it up. Yes. So boys and girls, these are different ways.
Wait, do I click off?
I will speak to you in a moment. This is how we can describe eating. Okay?